Hey everyone, I'm Omid. Why did the video wear sunglasses? Because it wanted to hide something. Anyway, let's play part of a video. First, select your clip on the timeline. Go to the effect panel and search for Gaussian blur. Drag the effect onto your clip. Now go to the effect controls and create a mask around the area you want to blur. Increase the blurriness value until it looks right. If the object is moving, enable mask tracking and let Premiere Pro follow it automatically. Now that part of your video is hidden or hidden, I don't know. That's it, super easy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more quick Premiere Pro tutorials. See you in the next one. Goodbye.